Ever wondered what are the top niches to get monetized or go viral on YouTube? You're not alone. Picking the right niche is like finding the perfect key to unlock the door of YouTube success. It's about aligning your passion with what resonates with viewers worldwide. It's about balancing creativity with strategy. Yes, it's a game, but it's a game you can master. So buckle up and get ready. Today we will dive into the top 11 niches that can help you strike gold on YouTube. First on our list is the gaming niche. This digital playground has taken the world by storm, attracting a diverse audience that spans across all ages. Its popularity opens doors for potential sponsorships from gaming companies, while live streaming platforms offer a unique way to engage with viewers. And let's not forget gaming tutorials. They're a goldmine for those who have mastered the art of gaming. It's no mystery why gaming is a niche that never seems to lose its charm. Next up, we have unboxing and reviews. This niche is all about the thrill of discovery. Whether it's the latest tech gadgets or the newest beauty products, there's always something new to explore. Even kids' toys can be a hit, with the element of surprise and joy they bring. And let's not forget food and drinks. Who doesn't love a good taste test? This niche is perfect for those who love trying new things. Coming in at number 3 is fitness and health. This niche is a goldmine for content creators. From sharing effective workout routines to discussing comprehensive diet plans, there's a wealth of topics to explore. Offering health tips and product reviews of fitness gear or supplements can also bring in viewers. And don't forget about the power of personal fitness journeys. They inspire and motivate, creating a strong bond with viewers. Fitness and health is a niche that always attracts a dedicated audience. At number 4, we have beauty and fashion. A niche that never goes out of style with so many facets to explore. From makeup tutorials where you can share your contouring secrets to fashion hauls where you showcase your latest finds. Skincare routines have a massive following, and product reviews can be a goldmine for engagement. Don't forget about fashion trends. Keeping up with the latest styles keeps your viewers coming back for more. The beauty and fashion niche is a glamorous world with a large and active audience. The 5th niche on our list is food and cooking. This niche is a gourmet's delight, serving up a smorgasbord of content types, from recipe videos that help viewers recreate mouth-watering meals at home to handy cooking tips that simplify culinary challenges. It's not just about the cooking. Food reviews offer a taste of the world's cuisines, while kitchen hacks make life easier. Food vlogs add a personal touch, chronicling culinary adventures. The food and cooking niche is a deliciously rewarding field to explore. Next, we have travel vlogs, a niche that's all about the journey, not just the destination. It encompasses a broad spectrum of content, from travel guides that help you navigate new locations, to hotel reviews that offer a sneak peek into accommodations worldwide. Travel tips provide valuable advice, while cultural exploration immerses viewers in diverse traditions. And let's not forget personal travel experiences, the heart and soul of any travel vlog. Travel vlogs take viewers on a virtual journey, making it a popular niche. At number 7, we have educational content. This niche is a treasure trove of opportunities. It ranges from enlightening tutorials to informative content that broadens horizons. Guides that provide step-by-step instructions are a hit, as are study tips that help students ace their exams. There's also a demand for educational reviews, where complex topics are dissected for better understanding. The beauty of this niche lies in its ability to provide value and build trust with viewers. Educational content is a niche that provides value and builds trust with viewers. Coming in at number 8 is DIY and crafts. A universe of creativity, this niche thrives on the joy of making something with your own hands. From step-by-step DIY projects that transform everyday objects into masterpieces, to craft tutorials that inspire the artist in you, it's not just about creation, it's about transformation. Think home decor makeovers and innovative recycling ideas. And let's not forget craft supply reviews, because the right tools can make all the difference. The DIY and crafts niche is a creative outlet that can attract a wide audience. The 9th niche on our list is personal finance. This sector is a gold mine for those of you with a head for figures and a knack for explaining financial concepts in a digestible manner. From offering investment advice to sharing budgeting tips, you can guide your viewers through the maze of money matters. You could also delve into financial planning, review credit cards, or even provide real estate tips. Personal finance is a niche that can attract a serious and dedicated audience. At number 10, we have comedy and entertainment. This niche is a goldmine for those who love to tickle funny bones. From creating hilarious skits that leave viewers in stitches to pulling pranks that get them rolling on the floor, it's all about the laughs. You can also dive into reaction videos, a genre that's been blowing up recently. Celebrity news with a humorous twist can also draw in viewers. And let's not forget the humorous commentary, a classic that never gets old. Comedy and entertainment is a niche that can bring joy and laughter to viewers. Last but not least, we have tech and gadgets. This niche is a goldmine for all the tech enthusiasts out there. It primarily includes gadget reviews where you can share your expertise and opinions about the latest devices. Tech news is another big part of it, keeping everyone updated with the latest advancements. Tutorials and unboxing videos also draw in a lot of viewers. Lastly, you can delve into future tech predictions, keeping your audience intrigued about what's next. Tech and gadgets is a niche that's always evolving, making it an exciting field to explore. So there you have it. The top 11 niches to get monetized or go viral on YouTube. From gaming, unboxing, and fitness to beauty, food, travel, education, DIY, personal finance, comedy, and tech. Each one a potential goldmine for the right creator. But don't forget, it's not just about picking a profitable niche. It's about aligning your passion and interests with your content. Remember, the key to YouTube success lies not just in choosing the right niche, but also in creating content that you love. Happy YouTubing!